Hey, good morning, guys. How's it going? This is Jose. Sorry about the hair. I just got out of work. I'm uploading a new video. So your mechanic says to replace the sensor, right? Because that's what the scanner says. Well, let me show you a quick video of why you should not just replace a sensor, because the sensor might be a couple of hundred when you could have repaired it with 20 bucks and you could have done that at home. Check it out. Alright, guys, so this is the reason why I tell you guys to do a little bit of research before you go see your mechanic. Your mechanics are sometimes busy with greater engines, transmissions, head jobs, to be dealing with this kind of stuff that you can fix yourself at home. Okay, all I did was take off the doghouse, took this off so I could have more space for it, and I went ahead and bought this online. You can tell it has all different colors, shapes, and sizes. Those are the prices for my customers. And I also purchased this from Walmart. I purchased like 5 of these suckers. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut some of those out, and I'm going to put it on here. This truck hasn't set a coat off, but the customer wanted to change it because I'm taking the doghouse anyway. So he's like, go ahead and change it anyway. So I'm going to do that, okay? And that can set off a coat, and you can run to your mechanic. You get a big bill for something you could have done yourself. Doghouse off. Doghouse should take you about maybe 1 hour if you've never done it before. This right here should take you, those are T20s, T27s, T20s, I'm sorry. Take those off. Bring your doghouse out. There's the doghouse back there. Take the doghouse off. And this total job should take you no more than 3 hours. Your mechanic, you're probably looking about $300 to $400. So just keep them donations rolling in so I can get them glasses, guys.